Hi boys and girls. I told you earlier that I would show you how to make spiders, and now I'm down in my garage and I'm gonna show you how to make spiders. This is what you need: 3 washers and 10 2 inches long horseshoe nails, and that's about it, and a welder. And you put these on top of each other like this, and you clamp that down to your table, and then you bend these like I've done with this one, like that, and turn it upside down. You place it to the washers, and clamp this down with some pliers. Okay, when it's clamped down, it should look something like that. Got your 2 clamps, and you weld that horseshoe nail to these spacers or washers, and then you move this piece around and start attaching the legs. And you need 8 legs, 4 on each side, and then you have 2 looks like that, 2 front teeth or whatever, and then you have the legs. Now I haven't bent these legs, but if you space them you should have something like that. These 2 is on the edge, you know. All the others are laying flat like that, and these 2 standing up like that. And it's just a matter of going around the washer and filling it with legs. And when you've done that, you take a small grinder, grind off the welds, and you prime it and you paint it. I usually sandblast the welds too, so I know that they are clean from any contamination. So that's how I do my spiders. Okay, this is a welded piece, and as you see, it's not quite standing flat on the ground, so you need to bend these legs to get it to stand right. So after this, I grind the welds down. I've been welding on both sides. On the back side, doesn't matter how it looks, but I like to have a better weld on the top, so I'm gonna put glass stones here and 2 eyes on those. So glass stone for body and 2 smaller pearls for eyes, and hopefully I can get this done in the next few days, so I can show you the finished result on this puppy. And I used to weld a thread between those 2 legs, so you can hang it up on the wall, or those 2 legs, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna do that later, but right now I'm pretty sweaty from this. I'm doing this with my encased leg, so I'm gonna quit welding and get something to eat, because I think I'm gonna pass out soon. Okay, I'll show you how to bend these things. You got a surface on this that is flat on the back side, and you got a marking on the front side, and the edges is a little bit smoother on this side. So take the smoother side and you start by pressing down on that part. You see, you get a bend. Start to bend it like you want it. And at the end, make the spider's foot so it will stand on that part. You don't have to do it proper right now, because when you weld it, it's gonna bend anyway, so you can straighten it or bend it, whatever, when you have welded it to the piece that you're gonna do. So that's how it should look, and then you flip it around like that, and you weld it to the washer, and then you can turn around the spider and bend the legs as they should look after welding. So now you know how you do legs, and I show you the finished product later. Bye.